Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's explore the term hibernation. It's not just a long nap. There's more to this word. Let's journey into the world of winter dormancy. Meaning. So, hibernation is a state of inactivity and metabolic slowdown in certain animals, allowing them to conserve energy during the winter months. It's a fascinating adaptation to survive harsh environmental conditions. Usage. Imagine bears entering a state of hibernation to endure the winter, or learning about the physiological changes that accompany hibernation in various species. Examples. Think of small mammals like hedgehogs or bats engaging in hibernation as a survival strategy, or reptiles going into a similar state known as hibernation. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ḥaɪ.bɚː.neɪ.ʃən, a term that echoes the quiet dormancy of winter, right? Different uses. Ever heard of human hibernation? While not the same as in animals, it's a term sometimes playfully used to describe a lazy day spent indoors during cold weather. Conclusion. If the concept of hibernation intrigues you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more fascinating word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.